For these parents, you know that $18,000 sitting in your checking account. It's burning alive at 0.01% while inflation eats your lunch. You feel it. One car repair, one ER visit, and you're drowning in 22% credit card debt. $936 a year just vanished into thin air. 6 minutes, 3 clicks. Fidelity's 5.2% turns that burning cash into your 3-month mortgage safety net. $936 year one. FDIC insured. Emily learned this the hard way. Meet Emily, 42, marketing manager. Family makes $128,000. Mortgage, $4,200 per month. She thought that $18,000 in checking was safe. Then Junior gets pneumonia, $4,800. ER bill hits. No cash, so credit card at 22%. $1,200 interest year one. 18 months later, she finally digs out, but completely missed $936 Fidelity would have paid on that same $18,000. Emily tells me, I thought emergency money had to stay liquid. Wrong. Fidelity Cash Management pays 5.2%, FDIC insured to $500,000. ATM card, bill pay, more liquid than her checking. Now, auto transfer $800 a month. 15 months later, $12,600 safety net, exactly 3 mortgage payments, plus $200 extra interest. She's sleeping again. Emily fixed it 3 ways. You will too. In 9 minutes total. Here's step 1. Step 1. Open Excel 1 box. Mortgage $4,200 times 3 months equals $12,600. That's your target. Not rich? Start with $2,500, 1 mortgage payment. Better than 0. Step 2. Fidelity.com, search Cash Management Account. Current rate, 5.2%, 0 fees. Beats every big bank. Click Open Account. 42-year-old mom, 3 minutes. Name, SSN. Link checking. Done. FDIC insured to $500,000. Same protection, 500 times better return. Step 3. The money printer. Link your payroll account. Set auto transfer, $128,000. Family, $800 on the 20th. $92,000 family, $500 works. 15 months later, $12,600 done. Plus $200 interest you didn't expect. Emily's exact numbers. Month 1, $800. Month 6, $4,800. Month 15, $12,600 plus $212 interest. Screenshot it. 3 steps. Calculate, open Fidelity, automate. Emily went from panic to $936 year 1. Your 9-minute action. 1. Excel your number. 2. 3 clicks at Fidelity. 3. Set auto transfer tonight. Want my Excel template plus 5 high-yield comparisons? EasyWealthMap.com. First 100 get it. Next, turn extra cash into ETF autopilot. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Stop letting banks burn your $18,000. Fix it today. See you in the next one.